Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discover a new app called Scrintal. So Scrintal is an amazing planning app that is perfect for anybody who likes to think visually or creatively. So if I just described you, then this video is going to be for you. So let's just dive deep into this app and see what it's all about. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what is Scrintal all about? So Scrintal is essentially a hybrid note-taking app. So it combines mind mapping with networked note-taking. So they say it's as if Miro and Obsidian had a baby and created this app. So you can organize your mind, visually connect to everything, and even share what you created. So Scrintal is a great app if you are a visual thinker or you like to think outside of the box. So here is an example of one of my boards. So this is my email marketing board. I created a text box here. So to create a text, you can just hit T and start typing. And then to change the colors, you click on this icon right here that says change color, and you can change it to color code so that everything matches and works the way your brain works. So this is how my brain works. So I like to have my welcome sequence and then have it all under here. And then I also have my new product flash sale. And then I had my spring 50% off flash sale email list here. With these mind maps, you're not limited to what you can write. So I wrote my entire email within here. And then when I went to the next email, all I had to do was click on the next link and then the next link. And then I was able to copy and paste this into my email marketing software, and it just made it so much easier. I also made this Kanban board. So to make a Kanban board, you're going to click on this plus sign and then columns, and then you can make as many columns as you want. So I have to do, in progress, and complete. So when I made my spring 50% off email, I just titled it Set Up Spring 50% Off Sale, and then I linked each of the emails in those, and then I had a checklist of things that I wanted to work on. So in your list, you can turn all of this into its own card. You can make it a heading, you can bold it, italicize it, essentially just make it into your own document. And it's so versatile, and I love that it gives you this freedom. And I think just having this infinite canvas makes it so great, because I like to see everything at a glance, and that's why I like paper planning or digital planning, because I can see everything all at once. So I really like having this here. So the more sequences I create, I can just keep adding them here, and I think it's gonna be a great way for me to manage my email marketing. So if you're a project manager or you're a freelancer like myself, you're going to love the Scrintal's project board feature, because you can create multiple project boards but still have them connect to each other. So for example, I created this marketing map board, and in my marketing map, I can connect to my email marketing board simply by just creating a card and clicking the plus sign. And then I can search for my welcome email. You can link it to one of your other emails so that you can see how things relate to each other, even from different boards. So that's an amazing feature of Scrintal. You can even add tags to all of your cards so that you can group them. So to add tags, you just have the hashtag, and then you can see here I have one for marketing, one for personal, one for presentations. So if you go to your tags and you click on it, you'll see all of the cards that are related to that category. So let's go back to my boards and just let me show you how you might use this for planning. So if you want to up your planning and you don't like the linear weekly planning or daily planning, you can maybe think of using a planner in Scrintal. So here's how you would do that. So I started creating this routines board. So I have my morning routine here, and then I connected it to my evening routine. You can start typing in all that. Then you can create a cleaning routine, and maybe you can even break this out even more. So instead of just cleaning routine, you can maybe add a weekly cleaning. And then when you just type it like this, you can create that weekly cleaning note card, and it'll automatically open up a new weekly cleaning card for you. And then you can type in what you're going to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then you can change all of this into headings maybe add a bulleted list for what you're going to do on Monday. And then let's say you want to take it a step further and make a monthly cleaning card. And it just automatically connects as you are typing all of this. So you can see here I have my cleaning routine, and it automatically linked to my weekly cleaning and to my monthly cleaning. So you can make it make sense to you. And you can even change the way it looks. So if you want it to just show the title, you can do that. If you want it to make it smaller, you can do that as well. So let me show you guys how to do your planning. So for planning, I just created this 7-column table. So to make a table, you can hit K, or you can press on this plus sign and then columns. And then you can just keep adding as many columns as you want. So I added 7 columns to make this Sunday through Saturday layout, and then I hit a done column as well, so that you can just drag and drop your cards to whichever day you're going to be working on those cards. So again, this is awesome if you have multiple categories and different boards. You can link all of those here as well, and then you can also share or star. So you can see here I have my starred boards here. So these are like what I'm working on right now. And then you can share a board. You can invite people to plan with you, or you can publish it so that everybody can see what is in your board. Okay, so before we wrap up, let me just share with you how Scrintal has helped me plan something super exciting for my family, getting a new puppy. So when researching and planning for our new fur baby, I used Scrintal's brainstorming mode to jot down all of the important information like breed options, possible dog names, training techniques, and even vet recommendations. And it has made the whole process so much more enjoyable and efficient. So you can see here, I have researched breeds and sizes in my things to do board. Then I linked all of these pictures and links to these dogs that we were looking at, and it's just so cool to be able to do that and just have everything linked together in such a visual way. So this card is linked to all of these images over here, and then I have my training techniques over here, but this is just like the official to-do list board right here. And I color coded them even for things like preparing the home and establishing routine, learning about dog care, signing forms for the rental agreement, making the adoption, recommendations, then training. And it's just been amazing to be able to have everything at a glance on this one board. And it's just really a great way for anybody who is a visual person. So if this seems like an app that you can get behind, then I want you to experience the wonders of Scrintal for yourselves. So I've teamed up with Scrintal to bring you a special offer. So you can actually use the code WONDERFUL50 when signing up for Scrintal, and you will receive a 50% discount on your subscription. So 50% off just for being a subscriber of my channel. But please hurry, because this offer isn't going to last forever. So why don't you go ahead and give Scrintal a try, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. I can't wait to see how Scrintal helps you bring your creative planning to life. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy planning!